Welcome to our guide on avoiding scams as a driver. Check for red flags. Be wary of clients who are in a hurry to make payments or those who ask for a discount in exchange for making early payments. Also, watch out for clients who refuse to provide complete details about themselves or the reason for the payment. Some even use funny names on the app. Verify payment channel. Always confirm the payment channel on cash trips. If it's a transfer, let them know exactly where you want the money to be paid to. Get a good wallet like OPay. Beware of chargeback scams. Some fraudulent clients may request a chargeback on their payment after getting the service. Always keep proof of payment and transaction records to avoid falling victim to such scams. Use trusted payment platforms. As mentioned earlier, OPay is a reliable and fast payment platform, hence it's less prone to fraud. Avoid accepting payments from untrusted or suspicious payment platforms. Do not let them go until payment is confirmed. Ensure you receive payment before releasing your service product to the client. Don't fall for any excuses or pleas to release the service before completing payment. In conclusion, always stay vigilant when dealing with clients. To avoid getting scammed, it's essential to practice caution. Stay safe and always prioritize both your personal safety and the security of your business.